Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by cutting power and preparing tools, safety first. Once unplugged, remove the dryer lint filter and pull the dryer away from the wall just enough to access the existing duct connection. You measure the distance to the exterior vent and choose a rigid 4-inch metal duct for minimal airflow loss. Flexible ducts create lint traps. Make sure you have foil tape and a vent cap ready. This prevents leaks and keeps pests out. Now connect the duct to the dryer collar. You slide the rigid duct onto the dryer outlet and secure it with a clamp or a half-turn foil tape wrap. This prevents leaks and loosening. Once attached, route the duct straight to the wall with as few bends as possible. Each bend reduces efficiency. Fasten the duct to framing with straps every 4 feet so it doesn't sag. Once the duct reaches the wall, thread it through the exterior opening, trim excess, and seal every seam with foil tape for an airtight run. You attach the exterior vent cap and seal around it with exterior-grade caulk so moisture and pests stay out. Once sealed, plug the dryer back in and run it on air only for a minute, then check airflow at the cap. Strong, steady airflow means success. If airflow is weak, make sure the duct isn't crushed, check for excess bends, and remove lint from the cap screen. These are the usual culprits. If still poor, recheck connections and replace the duct with rigid material.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.